If you have mold in your room, then it's probably because your room is super humid, just like mine. So I got myself this dehumidifier to combat the humidity that caused the mold in my room. It's simple to use. When it's at capacity, just remove the reservoir and dump out the water. Watch how much water comes out. The way it works is by drawing warm air currents into its coils via a fan. The warm air contracts as it's fed through the refrigerated coils of the machine, and condensation is left inside the dehumidifier. I got this at Ace and Hardware for $80, but there's one on TikTok Shop that works exactly the same for only $30. I'll put a link in my video so you can check it out.